Drive-in style, this pre-owned 2004 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. This two-door truck has a two-cylinder, 5.3-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 144,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Ask to see the free Carfax Vehicle History Report. Key features include cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, anti-lock brakes, CD player, power windows, and power door locks. Call us today at 818-892-8689. Come and take advantage of our easy financing and low monthly payments. Elmer Field is the oldest used car dealer in the Valley. We offer good prices, excellent customer service. Call Elmer Field directly and ask Mr. Freddie about our internet specials. 818-892-8689. We specialize in